to enable or disable open phone to answer calls in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Open phone, and then tap more icon or three dot icon, select settings, and then tap flip options. On open phone to answer calls, tap switch until blue to enable. Tap switch until blue to enable or until green to enable open phone to answer calls, or tap switch until green to disable open phone to answer call. Okay. Tap switch until blue to enable or tap switch until green to disable. If you enable and you in call, you just open phone to answer call. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.